internationally. I propose, therefore, that the Future Investment Initiative should consider establishing a satellite center in one of Pakistan's leading universities to explore the rapidly growing Pakistani market and spur innovation among our young population. The satellite could become the center of a network of researchers, innovators, investors, and service providers to harness the capacities which, if optimized, would take Pakistan to a higher level of social and economic development. Ladies and gentlemen, Khataman, Pakistan is open for business. Let me assure you, as the Chief Executive Officer of Pakistan today, that we as a nation are ready to reach out to all of you and entire globe and find potential investors and grab the future with both hands. As the Prime Minister of Pakistan, I am determined to deliver efficient and competent, transparent governance in these difficult times. I ask you to join hands with me, and together let's unlock and unleash our combined energies to carve the future we all want for our coming generations. Thank you very much, and it's a great occasion. God bless you.